HP printer here. I have this HP printer M177, and the problem this is showing me is error 10.1004. So to fix this error has to do with the this error has to do with the drum unit. This is where the drum unit is here. So you're going to open this way and you get access to the drum unit. So to bring out the drum unit, you're going to raise this two latch here. You can see this blue latch, there is another one here. You're going to raise it up this way, then you're going to pull out the drum unit. Now, the reason why the reason why there is that error is because of this. This is the memory issue here. That is why it's showing that error. So to fix this problem, what I'm going to do is to clean this particular area. So I'm going to clean it out carefully, and that will solve the problem. So this is where the problem is. So cleaning it is going to solve the problem. So you can see you can clean with a piece of cloth. Alright, so this is it. What we are going to get is like a piece of cloth, and you're going to clean out this sensor here. Cleaning out the sensor here, this should be able to sort out the issue. So I'm going to clean. And if after cleaning you notice that the error is still there, what you're going to do is to remove. I'm going to remove this sensor. So what we are going to do, if after cleaning you notice that this problem is still there, what you're going to do is to remove this sensor and fix it in like that without the sensor. Then the printer is going to detect that there is no drum unit. Then you remove the drum, then you fix the sensor. That should trick the printer into believing that the sensor has now been replaced. So what I'm going to do right now is to fix this back. Then I'm going to close the latch back. If after doing it this way and the problem is not solved, it's still showing you error 10.1004, what you do is to remove this again. And this time around, we are going to remove this sensor. We're going to remove this sensor. Now the sensor has been removed. Then we fix this back. Close this. So if for any reason, after fixing it back, you're going to put on the printer. Once you put on the printer, this will confuse the printer into thinking that there is no drum unit inside. So it's going to request for you to replace drum unit. So what you're going to do, you're going to open this back. You're going to open this and open this and remove the drum units out again. Going to remove it, and this will go back and fix our sensor back. So we're going to fix our sensor back. Okay, so we're going to fix it our sensor back. That should be able to resolve that problem. Remember that after fixing the sensor back and the problem persists, what we are going to do at this point is to replace the drum unit, the sensor itself. The sensor itself. Another thing you might want to check is the contact for this here. That is a contact for this particular sensor inside the printer here. So let me show you what you're going to do. You're going to get a piece of cloth, and you open, you see that there is a contact point. There is a contact point for it here, you see. So this is where the sensor will be, and it goes in this way. Under here there is a contact port for the sensor here. So you're going to get a piece of cloth, you check under where it is, and with this you're going to get the clean. The two is 2 points like this. So that is what this sensor touches here. So I'm going to check this contact here, and I'm going to clean it. So this is it here. I can feel it with my hand, and I'm going to clean it. Alright, so you can see that we have a lot of dust there. Now that I've done that, what I'm going to do now is to return the drum unit back. Unlock these two sides. Then, now that I've locked the two sides, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and power on this printer. So this will be able to solve. With this, the problem has been solved, and it will show that error message again.